Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do the jungle. We'll do a few jungle, we'll make the king of the jungle in the center and few animals here and there because we are going to make a jungle theme, and it's quite often asked in school. So first what we do is we make our lion. Now to make the lion, see, I've just drawn this, then I draw a little matka. See, can you see this little matka of mine? It is like a matka. Okay, then we will draw the ears and double it from inside. We'll draw the ears and double it from inside. Now what we can do is make the triangle nose, not really triangle, but in the shape of a triangle. Then we shall make the smile of the tiger. So let the smile be like his muchi also. Okay, let the smile be like a muchi. We'll make the eyes. Okay, then we'll make his eyebrows. Okay, so this is the face. It's looking like a bhalu, but it is a tiger. Okay, don't laugh, because once we make the manes of the tiger, you will realize that yes, Tanu teacher has made the lion. So let the manes go down like that. You want the tiger sitting or you want the tiger standing? What shall we do? Let us make it standing. So what you do after making this, you just give a U down. After making the U down from here, you will take a turn and come down. We're making cartoon images, and the images should look pretty. So one leg here and the other leg will be from behind. So let's make few hairy stuff here. Now one leg is coming from here. Now this is his petu, eating a lot of animals from the jungle, but his petu is little sukada. Where's my rubber gone? Oh yeah, it's here. We'll make his petu a little mota. So much he eats. You know, a lion never hunts for himself. It is the tigress who hunts for the lion. He is the king of the jungle, na? So he is always sitting aram se. Mera kaam koi aur kar dega. So let us make the tail. Tail is okay, a leaf shaped tail he has, and let's make his paw. So what we do is we just take a turn like that from here. We take a turn from here, a turn from here, a turn, and we are going to put 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now if you want, you can make the nails. It's not required really. So our lion is done. So he is the king of the jungle. So he is standing and posing for the photograph, because Tanu auntie had gone there and she had said that I want all the animals ready for the photograph, and the lion, since he is the king of the jungle, he came first for the photograph, very near. Now we shall make a landmark for him. He's standing here. What should we do? We'll make a nadi here. Okay, this will be the river. We'll make a hippo here. So what we do to make the hippo is make this line, then make this line. See, one line here, one line here. I hope I'm not doing it wrong, because I'm just doing it with memory. So the hippo's ears are like that. Lion's ears are gul. Hippo's ears are little like that. And then we have hippo's eyes. Because he is in water, we will be showing that hippo is in water. Or kya bataye? Big mouth he is opened. Yeah. Is it looking nice? Okay. Now he has 2 teeth here and 2 teeth here. So a big moto hippopotamus in water. So let us make his mouth, big mouth, and this will be his body. Now he is in water. Okay, this will be the water. Hippos are in water. Do you all know that? Hippos are usually in water. And let us make 2 nostrils of his. One here. One should come here. No, they should come here. So it should be here. Okay, so he is the hippo in the water. H-I-P for the hip. P-O for the hippo. And T-A-M-U-S S for the hippopotamus. So our hippo is ready, our lion is ready. Now we shall have, we'll do one thing, we'll take a tree from here. We'll take a tree from here and let the tree go up like that. So we'll have to rub the body of the hippo from behind. Okay, as it is, the body was not very nice. Now we'll make one branch which is going up here. Okay, we'll make this branch and then we will divide the branch. I'll show you how to make the leaves, and what should we do is we will rub this part because the branch is coming out from here. So it will be like that. See, there are certain parts to be rubbed. Because of this, I'm drawing it with a pencil. Now what we do is we make a snake. So for the snake, first what we do is take a turn. Now make the face of the snake. Let the snake face be like that with his tongue coming out, and his tongue is like that. Does he look very bhayanak? No. Tanu auntie's animals are cute. We should make the animals cute, na? You should not get scared of the animals. So he's smiling away, our snakey. Our snakey is smiling away, so he will go behind. Then again we'll have a turn over here because he is clinged to the tree. So this will go like that. Now certain parts to be rubbed again. So what I do is I rub the branch part and I do the snake part like that. See, this is one. This is the second cling. Okay, again one more cling. So we'll make one more cling of the snake, and then from behind his pooch is falling down. So this shall be the snake on the jhar, Liptawa on the jhar. And what we will do is make few chakattas on the snake and we'll color it accordingly. Okay, this is the body of the snake. And yes, over here too. There are some delicate parts. I am not finding the eyes a little attractive. So what I do is I rub it. I make a little morta moo for the snake. A little morta smile and morta eyes. Small eyes. Okay, and his tongue. It's coming out. So even he is posing for the selfie. Tanu teacher is all ready to take the selfies of these animals. So we have the land. Okay, we'll draw a little grass here. We have the land, we have the water, we had the tree. Now which animal, it's not coming in my brain, which animal should we go in? Should we go in for a giraffe? Yes, giraffe will look cute. So we have to draw two big dandi, that is the neck of the giraffe. You all are very much aware of it. Okay, there is a beautiful way to draw giraffes. Very cute little animal he is. All animals are cute, in fact. Dogs are the most cutest animals. So this will be his nostrils, his eyes, okay, now we will have the ears. I just hope I don't make any mistakes with the animals. And थोड़ा बाल होता है ना? Yes, I think so. थोड़ा सा ऐसा बाल होएगा. Even नहीं होता तो भी हमने उसका बाल बना दिया. घोड़े की तरह थोड़ा सा तो बाल होता है. Now we'll make the giraffe standing here and his garden is going till there. Okay. So this will be his body and his legs coming here. He's here but his garden is going there because he is a huge animal. So we are making his legs here. Now this will be the body. I will fit in how many ever animals I can fit in. Okay, it's not compulsory. Okay, you have to draw so many animals. We are just doing a jungle theme. So jitne bhi animals fit aate. Now we'll rub the river part which is coming inside his legs. नाउ अभी ये जिराफ की टेल भी ऐसे ही होती है. Okay, this giraffe is standing here. We'll give a little shape to his neck because his neck is looking awful. Okay, थोड़ा सा shape दे देंगे, थोड़ा सा figure दे देंगे. So this is our giraffe and he has a little bit of manes here, not much, but small ones. A ghoda has more. So this is his manes and we have the brown spots on the giraffe, big ones. Like the snake has the small ones, giraffe also has these spots. Okay, now I think so there should be few trees also to come because jungle है तो जंगल में तो चाहिए ना रे, ऐसा थोड़ी ना चलेगा. So we have made a little bit of chakattas here and again we'll take the tree from here. Let the branch go here. Okay, since we have made a snake here, we can do one thing. We can make a monkey hanging on a branch. So before making the branch, let me make the monkey. So I'll have the two hands and this shall be his body. See, it all comes with memory. There's nothing at all to worry about. It all comes. And his legs are almost like a human. Can you see? A human leg and a human hand. So let us make a human hand. We'll make his thambda also and we'll make 1, 2, 3, 4 because his hands are like humans. Let his tail hang down like that. Now monkey's tails are blunt like that. They are not the feather, the leaf behind. Now the face of the monkey. Now he is also standing for a pose. So let us make first a gulla. After making a gulla, we make this and we make this. After making this, we'll make a big smile and two nostrils of the monkey. And this is the smiling part. We'll make the two eyes. Do monkeys have ears? Yes, they do. Everyone has ears and their ears are protruding. So this is the ears and we'll make a little shendi for the monkey. Okay, let us make a little shendi. I think so his hands and legs are not proper, so let us give them a good shape. Yes, now he's looking better. So we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 animals. Okay, now let the tree go from here. It's clinging on the tree, so let's make the tree. So this monkey is hanging on the tree. We have made one tree. Now since this is the water part, again we will have a little land part here. Okay, this will be land. See, land, water, land, and this will be the sky. So let us put few trees which we will make it with light shades behind, and this shall be the tree. We will not do it with oil pastels. Let's see. I'm not very sure what am I going to do. So this is the branches of the trees behind. Should we make one more? Actually it's a jungle, so we can make a few leaves here because we have to show the manes of the tiger and the grass looks alike. So this is the grass behind. What else can we make? We have a little space here. Let us make a mendak जो टर्रा करता है. So we'll have enough animals. You know how we made the mendak. We have to make one andu. We have to make one andu. Then we have to make one nargandu. We have to make one nargandu. Then we have to make Tarak Mehta ka ulta chashma, the smile, his eyebrows, his tummy, then come down. Then ching 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 chingat, come down, ching 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 chingat, then go up and come down, then chingat, go up and come down, and then chingat, and then we'll color. Sure, okay. So what should we do? Should we put him on grass or we can put him on a leaf? But if we put him on a leaf, there's no water here, so he's just come out of this. So he's here, this side, okay? So I think so enough space. See, this is the book and we have occupied the entire space. Lion of the king of the jungle standing in the center, the hippo, the giraffe, the snake, the monkey, And we have drawn an amphibian also. An amphibian is a person who can stay in land as well as in water. Hippo is also one. Frog is also one. We can draw crocodile. And this is the king of the jungle. But he's looking cute. You will not get scared of him. So Tanu aunty is all ready to set and click a photo for these cutie pies. So children, we have made all these animals, and now we shall quickly marker it. Now when we are marking, it will be clear to you because pencils are sometimes not very clear in the videos. Usually they are seen. I've not done it so lightly, but still ray. You know, children are posting, teacher आप ये बनाओ, teacher आप वो बनाओ, teacher ऐसा करो, teacher वैसा करो. Hey, many children are telling me to do that. You know, वो blue और orange background का होता है, black color के figures होते हैं. I don't know, it's celluloid और जो भी उसको बोलते हैं. But that is the easiest way of drawing here. You all want me to teach you all that? I will do that also. No issues at all. Just give me few days after this jungle book gets over. You know, an artist needs mood, na. I'll do it, no problem. I have just done one yesterday with one of my students. It was her dad's birthday, Sachi Dabholkar, and so she's done a daddy and daughters, वो blue वाला, चंदा मामा होता है वो सब वाला. And I thought I would teach that. But then I don't know, I personally feel कि वो drawing simple है. होएगी मुश्किल सबके लिए यार. मेरे को ऐसा बोलना नहीं चाहिए, नहीं तो उटक के पटक के पटक पटक के पटक पटक के तुम लोग मेरे को झटकोगे. So हमारा शेरू, चुकी चुकी चुकी, my शेरू बाबू. Children love animals a lot. और यू नो हम लोगों के टाइम पे एक मोगली करके आता था. तुम्हारे इवन यू ऑल मस्ट हैव वॉच्ड लाइक दैट. बट ड्यूरिंग आवर टाइम्स यू नो देयर वाज अ टिपिकल गाना, जंगल जंगल पता चला है चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है. इट वाज लाइक दैट. सी व्हेन यू डू हिप्पो, द ओनली थिंग इज दैट हिज ईयर्स आर ओवल. You should always remember all animals look alike. Even we look like this monkey. But hippo के ना ऐसे दो दांत ऐसा ही होते हैं हमेशा. अब ये उसकी टंग है अंदर जाड़िया. And this is his face. So this is waterline. This is our cutie froggy. This was the first lesson I did when I started my channel. The froggy. And I know a poem also. 20 froggies went to school down besides the rushy pool. वो वाली. And I have told that in that one. Now we'll make the चिपकली. अरे not चिपकली. ये क्या बोलते रहे इसको? सांप. सांप. मैं तेरी दुश्मन दुश्मन तू मेरा, मैं नागिन तू सपेरा. So Tanu aunty is all ready with her iPhone 7. I don't have a DSLR camera to click their selfies. और सोच लो अगर मेरी फोटो अच्छी नहीं आई तो ये सारे जानवर मेरे पीछे पड़ जाएंगे. पीछे हाथ मुंह धो के पीछे पड़ जाएंगे. इधर पानी है ना, इसी से मुंह धोएंगे, मेरे पीछे पड़ जाएंगे. सो आई हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन आई एम डूइंग देम. ओके, आई शुड नॉट एंग्री देम. सी दे आर सो मच फ्रेंड्स. एंड इफ आई एंग्री देम एंड इमेजिन ऑल दिस. एक सांप मेरे पीछे भाग रहा है, एक शेर. शेर से तो मैं भाग ही नहीं सकती. मेंढकों का तो मैंने बहुत बाइसेक्शन किया हुआ है. सो मेंढकों से मेरे को डर नहीं लगता. बंदर ने तो मेरे को थप्पड़ मारा हुआ है. और मेरे को नैनीताल में वो पूल है ना, देयर इज़ अ pond in Nainital. So I was with my butta, having butta. You all know what is butta, na? I was having butta in that cold climate, and one monkey just came. I was just sitting at the edge of the, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, the edge where there is a like a pavement it is made, and I was sitting over there and having my butta when a monkey came and he asked for the butta. And he tried to snatch it from me, and I didn't want to give it to him. I was small enough. So he slapped me on my face, and I got so irritated I pulled my butta back, and then he slapped me so hard that I fell into the pond, and my dad saw it. मेरे को तो swimming भी नहीं आती है. My dad is from Haridwar. He was a very good swimmer. And he saved my life. Otherwise आज तनु आंटी होतीच नहीं, आज उसकी दूसरी आत्मा होती जो तुम लोग को ड्राइंग सिखा रही होती. Monkeys are bad, huh? And I was all bleeding up. They're not bad. He wanted the butta, and I didn't know what to give him my butta. If my sister is hearing this, she will remember this incident and she'll laugh. Slap he gave me. This little monkey over here, very tight one. I've never got beatings from my mom and my dad. नहीं, मम्मी से तो मिली है, बहुत जोर का छापड़ मिला है, पर जो मंकी की मार थी वो मंकीच की मार थी. If you all are hearing and you all are laughing, don't laugh. Even I will laugh when your mummy एक रपट करके देती है ना कान के नीचे, तो मैं भी हंसेगी फिर. Don't laugh. भयानक that day was. And when we had gone to Nainital, there's a zoo over there. And after having this mar from the monkey, we had gone to the zoo, and there was one bandari over there. उसका नाम था सुंदरी बंदरी. So I don't even forget that bandar and that bandari. सुंदरी बंदरी. Her name was सुंदरी बंदरी, मतलब सुंदर बंदर. Rhyming words. Actually her name was Sundari. So whenever we used to tell her Sundari, she used to giggle and smile like how this monkey is smiling. And whenever we used to tell her Bandari, she used to get angry. So that was a very small things in your life which you never forget, even if you grow old. We are all become Buddhas now, but still I remember those days. Sundari Bandari. और एक बंदर ने तो मेरे को चपट मारा था, तो हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट, करेक्ट? मेरे को 2 बार कुत्ते ने भी काटे. I have had 28 injections on my tummy because of a dog biting me. But I love dogs. So have I forgotten anything? Yes, a little bit of grass here, but that can be done. That is no issues. Have I forgotten anything else? Yes. Okay, this is land, this is water, this is again land. Now when I color, I will have to see, otherwise मेरा सब गुंचड़ा हो जाएगा और सब गड़बड़ घोटाला हो जाएगा. Is it clear to you? So we have made one. Oh, I have not done my chakatas. You all should have told me. Om Namah Shivaya. Hari Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. So this is a giraffe, this is a lion, this is our HIP for the hip, PU for the hippo, and TAMUS for the hippopotamus. So I'll just rub my pencil marks, and I will just off the video rub my pencil marks, and we will start again with the coloring part. Okay, now we start with the coloring of these animals, and one by one we will color all the animals. So what I have taken, this is my gray green color, bachus. If you don't have gray green color and if you are having olive green color, it is okay. Even if you're not having olive green color and if you do the popatia green color, then too it is okay, children. Never mind. Okay, first I thought I will do this as painting, but then painting would take a lot of time, so I'm doing this as coloring part. So slowly we will color all the animals. See, I've done this. Now the face will be, and then I think so, yes, this is my sap green color, and I'm coloring these chakattas sap green. Okay, so the snake's chakattas are sap green. One by one we will color all the animals. Yes, it is going to take a little bit of time, but it's okay. Now what we do, okay, the sap green color and this is done. Now we'll go for the other animal. After doing the snake, what we have taken is our leaf green color and our light green color. So now, yes, this is land, this is water, this is, okay, so I'm using my leaf green color to do these leaves here. Grass, I mean to say. See, there are so many minute things to be colored. It is like you have been given a colorful paper, you know, you get for coloring, and you're doing the coloring of that. So it is something like that. Acha, we are not doing any shadings in the leaves. Okay, because as it is, we have land and we have the grass part and we have the tree part. So we'll be using different greens for different parts. So we are not doing any sort of shading here. If you all wish, you all can do it. It's all up to you, bachas. No problem at all. So I'm doing these leaves, leaf green color. Leaf green. Okay. After doing these leaves, I'm taking this popatia green or the yellow green color to do this land here. Okay, so this land will be done this color. In this particular picture, the only point will be coloring it neatly, because there are very, very small parts to be colored. So we just have to color it neatly. We just have to keep that in mind and keep on doing with our things. Then we have to color our lion, not the, yeah, we have the lion. We don't have the tiger here. We have the lion here. We have to color the giraffe. We have to color the monkey. So we have to take care about those colors. Okay, so this is the leafy part. This is the land part. Again, this will be the land part here. So I'm using a little bit of green here to do the shading for the shadow part. Okay, I'm using it under the lion because they are standing here. There is nobody standing here, and under the giraffe, I was telling giraffe under the giraffe and under the lion and under the froggy. Okay, now I'm using my popatia green and coloring the land part. Bus doing the borders. A lot of portion to be colored. Have patience, because the drawing requires your patience. Okay, पेशेंस से किया तो चांगला होएगा, पेशेंस से नहीं किया तो वाकड़ तेकड़ हो जाएगा, है ना. Now remember, the frog is also green, so you have to take a lot of pains to see which green you are doing. There are multiple greens in your box, but to choose the best is up to you. So now our frog will be sapda green, the sap green color, sap green color. So we will do all greens. That is why I did not make much leaves, because as it is, half the drawing is going to be green and half the drawing is going to be brown. So I did not pay much heed to the leafy parts. Now what we do is we color this grass sap green. Okay, so we have used sap green to color this part. Sap green is the Ganda green. Okay, like we have the Ganda brown, we have the Ganda green too. Now sap green will go for the frog hind limbs. Now we'll not make it very these limbs over here. Now we will be using a gray green color to do the rest of the body of the frog. Then we shall use a little bit of yellow for the face. Remember, we had done the froggy with the yellow skin. And yes, now what you do is you just have to do the bordering well so that the frog is visible. This part green is done, this green. Okay, now we have a little bit of tree ka leaves. So what we do is we color the inside part with leaf green color. See, the inside part is leaf green. Okay, there shall be leaf green here. Baki we'll be making a little bit of sky also, because only if we do leaf green तो पूरा greener और अच्छा तो दिखेगा, पर बहुत green हो जाएगा, बड़े बहुत green डिक 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 है डिंगा डिंगा टिंक 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 टिक 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 टिक. Now since I've taken my yellow color, you know, I did it for the Mendak froggy. शी नाम ही नहीं याद आते फटाक से. Since I have taken my, but you know what, I'm planning to do my giraffe fluorescent yellow color. So he will be the one who will be the shiny person in the entire group for the photograph. Na? So he is fluorescent color. Actually he is not, but I'm doing it. I can make my animals the way I want. So, and then I'll do the Chakatta's brown. And his, so I have done this giraffe yellow. Now I take my brown and I take my Gandewala brown. So my Gandewala brown will go for his manes. These are the manes of the giraffe. And this brown, the chocolatey brown, will go for the Chakattas. We are going to reborder the Chakattas because very minute parts to be colored, and so we need to be very neat when we do our things. Okay, we just cannot do it eyesight. Now the tail part and the leg part. Okay, now to do the lion also we will be requiring a little bit of Gandewala brown and the chocolatey brown. So I'm doing it together. A little bit here and a little bit here. Okay, we'll put a little here also. And a bit here also. Now I'm using my chocolatey brown for the shading part. Minute things to be done. Be very careful when you're doing it. Of course, the bordering part will do the magics for you. But still, you know, you need to be a bit careful when you're coloring. Oh my God, how much I am advising. Finger on your lips, Dhanavante. No talking so much. हम लोग का दिमाग वैतकतई, इतना काहे बोलते ही, ऐसा बोलेंगे तुम लोग. Okay, so this is done now. Okay, the monkey also is brown, but we'll take a little different brown to do the monkey, because सब same color होएगा तो. Now I'm taking the buff color to do the lion, and I'm leaving little parts which I'll be coloring it with white. I'll be just smudging it with white so that there is a bit of shading here for the face, and yes, for the body of course. See, I've left a little bit of white here. And okay, this tail down needs to be darker shade. This will be this color. And remember the hind leg. See, I've changed my color because there is no light falling on this leg, so this leg will be a little different color. And similarly, see, this giraffe with this leg will be a little different color, but again I'll be smudging it with my fluorescent yellow color because I don't want the color to go ekdam se different. So this much is done. Now where is my Chintu white? Chintu white, yes, it's here, and I'm coloring it, a little bit of shading to be done so that it looks a bit, हाँ कि भाई कुछ तो किया है ना. ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे तो कैसे चलेगा मेरा बच्चा, कैसे चलेगा. Okay, we'll put a little bit of white this side also to show okay we have shaded. So, and yes, of course, here the nosy part will be black. Let the eyebrows be brown and this inside part be brown. Don't you mind because this will come back again. This is done. Now a hippo. A hippo is supposed to be gray in color, so we'll leave a little bit of spaces here and there for the whites, but major part will be gray. See, I have left little spaces. Now I clean my white. I require a little bit of pink for the inner part of the ear, and for this part, of course, the tongue part on this, the tongue will be red. So I've just cleansed my white color and I'm just doing guli guli for the hippo. So this is done. Now what we do is we take a red color to do the tangadi, the tongue of the hippo. He's screaming, तनु आंटी मेरे को अच्छा सा फोटो नहीं लिया ना तो तू देख लेना, मेरा ये इतना बड़ा मुंह में तू आ जाएगी अंदर. Oh Lord, I should get scared. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अच्छा अपना बंदर, right, the बंदर. For the बंदर we take the छोटा भाई of गंदे वाला brown and we'll color the बंदर this color. You know, so many browns to be done. Now the jhadia will also be brown, so this will be brown and we'll merge it with skin color. Oh yeah, the tail. Now we shall take our skin color to do the face of the monkey face. Let us do the face and the hand and the pair, and we will take white color to just give a little tinge here and there, and we shall just smudge it off. So a bandariya, नहीं sorry, bandar is done. Bandariya नहीं बोलने का, सुंदरी बंदरी, नको नको नको. Now what we do is we take a buff color first. We mark, or what we should, okay, I'll do the scraping part. कंटाळा नाही करायचं, असं केलं ना तर ड्रॉइंग नाही बनणार चांगलं. Okay, first we'll do all the barks with the buff color, ochre color, light brown color, whichever is in your box. Okay, so many colors, so many naam. साला हमको ही कंफ्यूज कर देता है. I hope it's coming. Yes, it's coming. इसके ऊपर हमको गंदे वाला ब्राउन करने का. फिर अपन अपना टिपिकल वो क्या होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, स्क्रैपिंग बोलते हैं ना, भूल गए क्या. अभी हमारी बुक की बैंड बजने वाली है. Now see, this bandar should be visible. So a little bit of more animals to be drawn. If I keep on teaching you one animal, that is why I thought I'll do a jungle thing and teach so many animals together. If you all want me to teach you all one by one all animals, just ping me on the message, I mean to say the comment box, and if possible I will. Now I'm doing gande wala brown again on them. See what patience Tanu auntie has. अरे मेरा इधर है ना थोड़ा सा ग्रीन रह गया, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा ग्रीन कर देती है. जोर जोर से पटक रही है ना मैं, सॉरी यार, ऐसा मेरा कोई इंटेंशन नहीं है, पर पटके जा रहे हैं, फटके नहीं, पटके जा रहे हैं, पटके. La 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 हमरा हो गया. Okay, now we take a scraper. मेरा स्क्रेपर कुठे मला सापडलं नाही रे. की करू, नाखून यूज करू का नाही, मला सापडलं माझं स्क्रेपर आता. See, I'm using this kangi. Can you see this kangi? Okay, I'm using this kangi to do the branches. You can do it anyhow. Many of the children have done a wonderful job, so I need not explain it again and again. Okay, you just be careful that whenever you're doing, you just have to clean this many times. You can do shading of the tree also, light brown and dark brown. It all depends upon you. It is your wish. Now I am taking my Chunumunusa black, and as I do it, we have to put a little bit of black parts here and there. With the bandar we have to be more careful and do the borders well, otherwise bandar ich nahi dikhega, hai na. So we have to draw the shadow part so that our bandar is visible. Oh, this will be done, no issues. I have come inside a little bit, so I have to scrape. Now what we do is we will paint the water and the sky, and after doing this I will be rebordering it and posting it, children. So even you all do the same thing. After this you have to reborder the entire thing and then post it. Okay, so my blue color for the sky. Oh, boot auxiliary. Never mind, it's a dark sky. It's a dark sky. It's a dark little sky. I'll just take a little water. I'm not taking color, क्योंकि बहुत सारे कलर हो गए. पता भी नहीं चला, बहुत कलर है. इधर से कलर उठाते हैं. अच्छा इधर आएगा ना. So this will be our sky part. This will be a sky part, sky part, sky part, sky part, sky, 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 sky. Now we shall do the water part. I'm going to use two shades of blue here. First I'm doing my normal blue which I usually do, and I'm going to take a darker shade of blue as well, but that will be later. See children, don't bother because the colors will not enter your animals, because that is an oil based color. It can just be wiped off like that. So please don't bother about it. But remember, before posting, please do your borders. Okay? Okay, now I'm using a little dark color because the hippo is inside the water and he is making that bubbles which come in the water. Okay, so this is a sky part. And after it is rebordered again, it is going to look wonderful. So be patient and wait. See, I have my black here and I'm just showing you how I'm going to do my borders. I forgot to do the nose part for the Lion King of the Jungle. Okay, so every part needs to be bordered, rebordered again before posting. So don't forget to do that. Please reborder it before posting. It will look better. Okay, so this is a little bit black. See, when it is rebordered, I'm just showing the inner parts because these parts are wet. I'm just showing you how it will look. So this is the King of the Jungle. I'm doing it because there is oil pastel all around. I couldn't do here. Here I can do. See, when it gets rebordered, how it will look. So please reborder it and post it, and bye till then and good night. Oh, is it clear? Atta disli, atta disli, atta disli, atta disli, ho disli, disli. Chalo, then bye till then and we will meet again. Good.